Hi, welcome to Lalaland Crochet. Today, we're going to make a cute crochet beer mug keychain. Let's start with yellow yarn. Start in magic ring. Make 6 single crochet in magic ring. First single crochet. Second single crochet. Third single crochets. Fourth, fifth, sixth single crochet. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring. In the second round, 1 single crochet increase. Repeat 6 times. The third round, 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet increase. This is a set. Repeat 6 times. The fourth round, 2 single crochet. One single crochet increase. This is a set. Repeat 6 times. On the fifth round, crochet front loop only for all stitches, and crochet a round of single crochet. Repeat a total of 24 single crochet. From the 6th to the 12th round, make 24 single crochet. You can finish it by yourself. On the 13th round, crochet back loop only for all stitches. 24 single crochet. On the 14th round, crochet back loop only for all stitches. 2 single crochet. One single crochet decrease. This is a set. Repeat 6 times. On the 15th row, continue to crochet back loop only stitches. 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet decrease. This is a set. Repeat 6 times. Fill with cotton. Finally, crochet 6 single crochet decrease. Still crochet back loop only stitches. This is a set. Repeat 6 times. Make 10 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 chain stitches. From the second chain stitch from hook and crochet 9 single crochet. Stitching. Next, we use white yarn to make the foam of beer. On the front loops only of the 13th row, introduce a white yarn. Crochet 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. After 3 chain stitches, followed by a slip stitch. It's all work in the front loops only of the 13th row. Five chain stitches. 1 slip stitch. 2 chain stitches. 1 slip stitch. 6 chain stitches. 1 slip stitch. These 3 stitches are a group. Crochet all stitches in the front loops only until completion. The foot part. Use brown yarn. First round. Start with 3 chain stitches. From the second chain stitches from hook, 1 single crochet. Three single crochet and 1 stitch increase, which means crocheting 3 single crochet in the same stitch. Then make an increase. Second row, 6 single crochet. Third row. One single crochet. Two single crochet decrease. One single crochet. On the 4th row, make 4 single crochet. Leave a long end for sewing. Stuff some cotton. And make another one. Attach the eyes. Whip stitch the foot. Crochet the mouth. All done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.